Hello guys, for this tutorial, I will show you how I am paying my PLDT home internet postpaid connection using Maya, previously Pay Maya. So to start, log into your Maya account and on the home page, select Bills. After that, select Telecoms. And then on the next page, you just have to scroll until you find PLDT, select PLDT, and then fill out the payment form. First, you have to input your account number, followed by the amount you need to pay. After that, just click Continue to proceed. On the next screen, you just have to check the details, and if everything is correct, confirm by clicking Pay. And that's it, you are done. You will be receiving a text from Maya about this transaction. You may also view your receipt. Just click this View Receipt button, and then you may also save the details of this transaction to your favorites. So next time, it will be easier and faster for you to pay. So just edit the name for this transaction. So for example, PLDT Home, and then just click Save. If I may also add, I prefer using Maya in paying for my PLDT bill because as you can see, there is no service charge. So what I paid was only my monthly bill of 1699 and there is no additional transaction charge. And during the first time I paid using Maya, I think my account was eligible for a certain promo. So I got a 10 peso cash back. And then for the second payment, I got 1 peso. So you may also try paying your PLDT bill using Maya, but this particular promotion depends on the PLDT account you have, and also these promotions run for a certain period of time. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. And if you find this video helpful, please support our channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Until next time. Bye.